Hey guys, Chris from Smile again with another tips video. So another one I get asked all the time is if I'm ever smelling anything from my furnace, what does this show me? So there's a bunch of different things that can produce odors. A very common one is either of the motors starting to break down to the point where the windings are burning. And this is a simple, dust burning kind of smell. Everyone should know how that goes. It can be either this motor or the blower motor. If you are starting to smell kind of burning, please get us in there right away because that could mean the motor is going to fail any day now and that'll cause you to not have heat, so important to get on that. Another one, which people don't like to hear, but this is a somewhat common one that you can see. I have found many mice and rats over the years that have nestled their way into furnaces and unfortunately died in there, and they will produce a very lovely odor that is going to go all throughout your house. So if you are starting to smell something that smells like something died in your house, it could be in the furnace or in the ductwork, and it's a good idea to get that checked out right away because just breathing that in every day, it's going to get you and everyone in your house sick. So if you are smelling that kind of odor, please make sure to call in and get it checked out. And lastly, one of the least common ones, but it can happen, if the furnace is not burning the gas properly, which can be any kinds of issues with the gas or the air or issues inside the heat exchanger, you can get an actual smell of, the machinery burning. It's a very heavy, chemically kind of burning smell. You'll know right away if you're smelling this in your house that something is wrong. And if that is the case, shut off the furnace right away, get us in right away, because if it has anything to do with the improper combustion, that's not safe and that needs to be assessed immediately.